How to Draw Hexagonal Prisms. Video by Vladimir London, a Life Drawing Academy tutor. In this video, you will find out special methods of drawing hexagonal prisms, which I developed for Life Drawing Academy Correspondence course students. Drawing geometric bodies from life is a small but important part of this course. It develops a good understanding of constructive drawing principles and a sense of perspective every proficient artist must have. Let's begin with the simplest case, a standing hexagonal prism in one-point perspective. The horizontal line is divided into 4 equal parts, and vanishing lines converge into one vanishing point. The standing prism can be inscribed into a cuboid. The top and bottom planes of this cuboid are squares. 3 methods of drawing a hexagon are explained in a separate video. Circles inscribed into these squares help to plot hexagons. The link is in the description. When the bottom hexagon is in place, we can extend vertical edges to complete this prism. At the top, these edges cross the upper oval, which gives us another hexagon. As long as you draw hexagons inscribed into circles, your prism will look realistic. In this drawing, its frontal plane faces the viewer because it is a simple one-point perspective. Now I will show you my know-how of drawing from a 2-point perspective. The depth is divided into 4 parts. Vanishing lines are converging to the left vanishing point. A circle in perspective appears as an elliptical oval. Its axis goes through the cross-point of the square diagonals. We know it is a perfect square because the inscribed oval touches its 4 sides in the middle of each side. These points are marked in green. Small red dots are the corners of the hexagonal prism. The hexagon is inscribed into the oval. The top plane of the cuboid follows the same 2-point perspective. Its depth is also divided. Vertical edges connect the bottom hexagon with the top one. Here it is, a standing hexagonal prism in a 2-point perspective. I will now show you my method of drawing a reclining hexagonal prism in a 2-point perspective. The depth is divided in half. Vanishing lines point into 2 vanishing points. 4 green dots indicate where the oval touches the horizontal square. The depth is divided into 4 equal parts. A vertical oval goes through 2 green dots. Its height is equal to the width of the horizontal oval. It will be a modular prism. What is a module and how to draw modular prisms is explained in a separate video. The link is in the description. The vertical oval will serve as a guide for the hexagon. The height of this hexagon is between 2 red dots. Check the aerial perspective in this drawing. Dark lines have variable boldness according to its rules. This drawing uses an oval that is located in the middle of the prism's hexagon. So, at the beginning, it is hard to tell where the ground is. In the next drawing, I will show you how to build a reclining hexagonal prism starting from the ground. This method also uses my know-how. The depth is divided in half to draw an elliptical oval in a 2-point perspective. This oval is inscribed into a square. How to draw squares and cubes and avoid mistakes when drawing in perspective is described in a separate video. The link is in the description. The depth of the oval is divided into 4 equal parts. This oval is at the ground level, so the prism will be built up from the ground. The vertical circle has the same height as the width of the horizontal oval. Once again, I will draw a modular prism, which means that its length will be 1.5 times greater than its width. We can use vanishing lines to plot the backside of this prism. When outlining a wireframe drawing, pay attention to the aerial perspective. Those lines that are closer to a viewer must be bolder than the lines that are further away. I will make 2 more drawings of reclining hexagonal prisms, building them from the middle and from the ground. I hope that by now you have an idea about the methods used here. If you are a Life Drawing Academy Correspondence course student, make your sketches and send us your artwork for critique along with any questions you may have. If you are not a student yet, check out this video. The link is in the description. While I'm drawing, I will tell you a few words about this course. Because it is custom-tailored, the Life Drawing Academy Correspondence course is suitable for students of all levels, from beginners to advanced artists. We actually guarantee that by the end of this course, you will reach the professional level and will be able to draw whatever you see or imagine. There are many reasons why it will happen. To begin with, before the course, every new student has to make several drawings from life as instructed and submit such tests for tutors' review. These test drawings allow us to assess the current level of skills and see which skills are missing or need to be improved. According to these test results, a student receives a full review and a custom-tailored drawing curriculum, which consists of many different topics. The topics a student needs to learn will depend not only on the skills level, but also on one's aims. In this course, students draw from life geometric solids, draperies, still life and man-made objects, landscapes, cityscapes, architectural details, learn classical orders of architecture, and make interior and exterior drawing. This course also teaches all you need to know about anatomy for artists, classical proportions of a human body, and its construction. Students receive not only drawing but also sculpting and model-making tasks. They draw from life models of geometric bodies made of paper and clay, sculpt facial features, a human skull, and the shoulder girdle. Such experience fully prepares them for portrait and figure drawing. The advanced tasks include such topics as depicting emotions in portraits, drawing figures in motion, and composing multi-figure artworks. There is no other personal tutoring drawing course like this, and the best part is, it comes at a very low one-time fee for a lifetime membership. It will actually cost you 15 times less than its real value. If you want to learn more about this course, check out the video at lifedrawing.academy/correspondence-course. To find out what Life Drawing Academy is about, check out its free video lessons at lifedrawing.academy/free.